Hi, my name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services out of Seminole, Florida. I've been in the business in the finance world for over 25 years. The question you're asking is, how do I repair my credit rating? Well, it really isn't as difficult as one might think. But the very first thing you have to do, if you haven't already done it, is write the big three credit bureaus and ask them for a copy of your credit report. When you get all three of them in, line them up side by side and go through them line item by line item. Make sure everything on that report is accurate. Anything that isn't, especially in the last 3 years, that's the best place to start disputing. If anything's 10 to 15 years old, don't worry about it for right now. But if you have anything on there that's inaccurate, say within the last 3 years, that's what I would go back to them on a letter. And you can write it yourself. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just state your case clearly and accurately and sign it, send it registered mail, and they have to get on it and investigate it. If they're wrong, they have to remove it. Now that's going to help improve your credit rating. The other thing you have to understand is you can help improve your credit rating by making sure that the money you owe and the credit you have isn't to the limit. If you have a line of credit for $15,000, try to get it down under $7,000 or $6,000. Even if you have to take money out of a savings or something to pay it off, that'll save you money in the long run. There's a lot of other things you can do to improve your credit rating, but obviously honoring your obligations and make sure you don't extend yourself when you don't have to is some of the best ways. Over time, good payment will always increase your ratings. So don't get caught up in today's environment of these companies who can promise you lots of things for money. Be very, very careful. My name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services, and as always, we're here to help you build true wealth.